Like, I'm happy I came, actually.
No, I wish I came.
You should have come. Like, it's exactly how it is on TikTok.
Really?
Yeah.
Fine coaches for Paul Halfwaythereseries, Halfwaythereseries, yourself, Halfwaythereseries.
Hopefully you guys can hear me because I'm a little far away from the camera, but today is the perfect day for a hike, actually. It's like 21 degrees, 20. Yeah, this is what I signed up for. You know, I was watching TikTok, yeah, and then everyone was saying that this hike is meant to take like 3 to 4 hours. But it took me like an hour and 30 minutes, the maximum. And I've been thinking, like, did I take a shortcut? Did I go through the correct route? I don't know. How do you take them 1 hour, 3 hours? I think the lady went through like the coastline, because there's down here, which is the beach, and there's up like the coastline. So I think maybe that way is 3 hours, because coming here was not up to 3 hours. So like I was really geared for a 3-hour walk, and to my surprise, it was like 1 hour, 1 hour 30 minutes. You know, I always think about how, like, as human beings, like, we change a lot. So, like, you know, we adopt new habits, adopt new interests, and almost just become new people when we look back at the kind of people that we used to be. So, I remember, like, when I was younger, like, anything concerning hikes, walking, just counts me out because I'm not coming. But like, who would have thought that I would then take voluntary hikes? Like, I would walk voluntarily up and down mountains. It's crazy. But you know, I think it also leads me to like gratitude as well. Like, I'm very grateful to be able to do all these things. So I took a train to come here. The train was about 2 hours. It ended up being like 3, but you know, because of delays, it was meant to be like 2 hours. But like, I cycled about like an hour to get to the train station. Like, I locked my bicycle at the train station in London. Hopefully it's still there when I get back. But I'm going to cycle about an hour again back home. So to be able to do like these intense physical activities, climbing, hiking, cycling, lifting weights, like, is nice. I think it's a very big privilege, and I'm very like grateful for it. But yeah, I wish I could swim though. I think that's the only thing that I really want to do that I don't know how to do. But I'll take the one I get.
Soft light falls on quiet sand. You almost leaned in. Shadows move, skin to skin. Something unspoken.
Hi.
No.
Can you hear me?
I
you record my voice?
I might, depending.
Yes, do that.
I might, depending on what you say.
Hi.
Ah.